Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and I'm here with your 2-Minute Tuesday tip. So today I'd like to talk to you about the Menus feature. The Menus feature allows you to save a group of recipes for use again in the future. Now to access the menus, you will go into your meal planner and then you'll click the Menus button over on the right hand side. After you do that, you'll see that a sidebar comes along the right-hand side where you'll have all of your previously saved menus, or if you don't have any menus, this is where you can add new ones. When you go into the menus editing feature, you'll notice that your planner gets a little bit darker shade of blue, which is going to indicate that you're either editing or previewing a new menu. In order to create a new menu, all you have to do is go into a new menu and then you'll simply drag and drop your recipes just like you would if you're creating a meal plan on your meal planning calendar. All of the edits and changes that you make when you are either editing a menu or creating a new one are saved in real time, so you don't have to worry about clicking a save button whenever you're editing or creating menus. After you have made these menus and they're already in your sidebar, you can then simply drag and drop these menus onto your calendar, and then you have a meal plan ready to go. You can also preview your friends' menus, so you will go to the friends toggle within that sidebar, and then if your friends have any saved menus, you'll be able to preview them before you drag them onto your calendar as well. There is a help article about menus in the description below, and if you have any questions, email us at help@plantoeat.com, and I'll see you later.